Hello my viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to be saying Eidukum Mubarak to all my Muslims fans. In today's tutorial today, I am going to be celebrating with the kids, as today is Salah day. So now as they are eating their meat, celebrating their Salah, so they should also be having fun with mathematics. So now what we are going to be looking at is even numbers multiplied by 55. So this is very interesting. So now, as we can know or notice that we have done the part 1 of this, that is when we multiply even numbers by 5. So that is what we discussed in the previous lesson. So now today I decided to make this for the kids so that they can enjoy it with their Salah celebration. So now even numbers multiplied by 55. So this is very interesting. It's going to be helpful for the learners. It's going to be helpful for the kids. So kids, let's get started before this gets cold. Let's have this example 1. We want to multiply 10 by 55. So now, as we know that from the previous lesson, whenever you want to multiply an even number by 5, what you do is you divide the number by 2 and add 0. So the same thing we are going to do here, but whatever we have, we try to double it and add 0. So from here we are going to have 10 by 2, and this is going to give us what? It's going to give us 5. So therefore the answer is going to be 5. That is, we double it and add 0. Is that understood? So that is that. So you can see that is very interesting. Can you see that? So now let's go to the next one. We have 12 multiplied by 55. So now when you have 12 multiplied by 55, you are going to do the same thing to this. What are you going to do? You divide the even number, this even number. So try dividing it by what? By 2. So that is, we have 12 divided by 2. So 12 divided by 2 give us what? 6. I get it. Then you are going to double it here. That is, write it 2 times, repeated form. Then you had what? You had 0 to 8. So you can see that 12 multiplied by 55 is going to give us 660 without even troubling or without even stressing ourselves. I get it now. Now let's go to the third one. So now the same thing we are going to do here. So we are going to divide this 24. You divide it by what? We divide it by 2. Now when we have 24 divided by 2, we are going to have 12. So now I want you to listen attentively and be very careful here. You can see that when we divided this 24 by 2, what we have is what? We have this 2-digit number, which is 12. So therefore, we're supposed to write it as 12. But in this case, we are not going to write it like this. What we are going to do is that we are going to write 12 and put what? And put 12 like this. I'm getting now. Definitely the second 12 you are writing is going to be starting under this 2 here. I'm getting now. Then you write it towards your right. I'm getting it now. So now by this, we are going to add this together. 2, we have 3 here, then we have what? We have 1 here. We are going to have 1, 3, 2 and add 0. So we are going to see that 24 multiplied by 55 actually give us 1320. Then we move further to the last one. So we have 2300. We have 232 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 55. So now what are we going to do to that? The same thing we've been doing. we try to divide this 232 by 55 by 2. Okay, now dividing it by 2, what are we going to have? We are going to have 116, that is 232 by 2. This is going to give us 116. So therefore we are going to write this 116 in double, but this is going to be like this: 116. I guess it now. So we now going to add this together. We have 6, we have 7, we have 2, we have 1, we have 1, 2, 7, 6, then we add 0 to it. So we are going to say that 232 multiplied by 55 will give us 12,760. So now that is what, and that is all I have for you today. Kids, I believe you actually understand and you actually enjoy this. So do have a blessed celebration. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you do that so that you don't miss my class, and share this to your learning colleagues so that they can benefit from it too. Share, like, and comment. Thank you so much for watching.